Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Cracking this Java code is easier than you think. We need to find exactly when this method prints true for our 2D array. First, look at result 1, which starts as false. It only flips to true if at least one row in the array is special. Just one row makes it happen. Boom! Next, check result 2, which starts as true. It uses a logical AND inside the nested loop. This means every single integer in the entire array must be incredible to stay true. We need at least one special row and every value to be incredible. This makes option E the winner. You nailed this logic. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given and check steps. You got this.